Hey, it's Kurt Thompson here with another review, reviewing the Ghost Controls solar powered gate opener, your driveway gate or any other type of gate. Here's the remote. Now it will unlock it, open it up. And I have it programmed to stop automatically, and then it'll pause for 12 seconds. That's if I'm coming or going. I could be driving in now, or I could be driving out. If you do want the lock, that's an automatic lock, it's electronic, as you'll hear in just a moment. You can see that it's actually locked now, and it'll open here in just a second. Boom, opens, and in just a few more seconds it'll lock. See? There we go. Go get yourself the Ghost Controls solar power gate opener. I got my Amazon affiliate link down below. You can click right to it.